Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The brake fluid is getting a little old, but before we make the flush video, there is a vacuum bleeder tool that we need to buy, but I think we could DIY that tool ourselves. Let's do some research. Okay, looks like we just need a plastic bottle, some 1/4-inch plastic tubing. I was watching this video by Chris Fix. I really like his YouTube channel and all of his videos. Let's go shopping. We are back from shopping and I drank my Gatorade. Those two did end up being around $5. I got out the drill and these are the random drill bits I have. Let's put them together. Super quick and easy video. Started with the little one for vent and pilot hole. Slowly went up in size until the plastic tubing fit snugly. Ended up here with this drill bit on the impact. Hopefully this works when we do our brake flush, but for now, video 215 done.